Hi everyone, it's me Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope the sun isn't going to be too much of an issue, but I'm going to be doing another card today. This one is going to be the other N. This one was numbers. This one is going to be nature. So I went through some of my stuff and I found, remember I had something like this. So I want to put this on here and then I guess go from there. I was going to find some words and stuff from there. And that was going to be about it for that card. But yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and speed up the video. And we're just going to see where it goes. So I'm going to speed up the video now. Hi everyone, so here is the finished nature card. I think it came out really cute. I'm going to see if I can just show you guys. There you go. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye for now.